Good morning, students. Today we are going to read lesson number 5, page number 53. This often happens to people with good eyesight. They fail to see what is right in front of them. The narrator said, yes, the people, those who have good eyesight, they fail what is in front of them. They have so much to look at, I suppose. And the narrator thought that maybe there were many things to see. That's why they are failed to see what is right in front of them. I didn't see you either at first, I said. And narrator said, yes, I also didn't see you first when you came in, but I heard you. Heard means listen, but I heard you. I wondered how I could prevent her from discovering that I couldn't see. I wondered means बच्चे surprise, prevent, stop, discovering, finding. And then the narrator was surprised. He was thinking that how could he can stop the girl from finding this that the narrator couldn't see. If I stayed in my seat without trying to get up, it shouldn't be too difficult. And then the narrator thought that if he stayed means remained, if he remained in his seat without moving, without trying to move, then the girl will let it know that the girl will not let it know that he is blind, and it will not be difficult for the man. I am getting down at Saharanpur, the girl said. My aunt is meeting me there. Where are you going? And the girl said that I am getting down at Saharanpur. My aunt is coming to meet me there. Where are you going? To Dehradun and then to Mussoorie, I replied. Replied means answer. Then the narrator replied that he is going to Dehradun and then to Mussoorie. Oh, lucky you. I wish I was going to Mussoorie. Then the girl said, oh, you are so lucky. I also wish that I was going to Mussoorie. I love the mountains, especially in October, said the girls. Girl said that I also love to see the mountains, especially in October. Yes, this is the best time of the year, I said, remembering the days when I had been able to see. And the narrator replied that yes, October is the best time to see the mountains. He told this thing remembering the days when he was able to see. Okay, first of all, बच्चे narrator can see. Okay, so when he can see, he have also went to the Mussoorie. So he know how the Mussoorie look like in the October and what about the Mussoorie. He know everything. So remembering the old days when he can see, he told the girl about the Mussoorie. I continued and then narrator continued his talking. The hills are covered with white dahlias. He told the girl that in October, in Mussoorie, the hills, they are always covered with white dahlias. But dahlia is a name of a flower. And the sun is wonderful. And at night, you can warm yourself in front of log fire. Okay, so he told the girl that in Mussoorie, the hills are covered with white dahlias. Sun is wonderful. And at night, anybody can warm himself in the front of log fire. Log means by firing the wood. Why बच्चे? Because at night there is cold. Most of the tourists means the person who loves to travel, leave the hills by this time, and the roads are quite means silent. And most of the person, those who came for traveling, they move to the hills by this time. That's why the roads are empty. The roads are quiet. She was silent for a while. For a while means for some time. Silent means quiet. And for some time she was quiet. Then I made a mistake. What is it like outside? I asked. Then narrator made a mistake. He asked the girl a question that what is it like outside? She didn't seem to find anything strange in the question. The narrator asked the wrong question by asking what is the scene outside. But the girl, she didn't think that anything strange in the question. Had she noticed already that I couldn't see? When the narrator noticed that the girl has don't think that any mistake in question, that the narrator was thinking that maybe the girl know already that the narrator is blind. But her next question removed my doubts. Doubt means confusion. But the girl asked the next question and the doubts of the narrator was clear. Why don't you look out of the window? She asked. The girl said to the narrator that why don't you look outside yourself out of the window that you can see? So you see yourself what is the scene outside of the window.